Realme has announced its new Narzo N65 phone under the Narzo sub-brand in the economic price category, as the phone comes with good specifications. We will learn about them through the video, and we will also learn about the contents of the box. In the end, we will learn about the price. Follow us and let's go to the details. Welcome my friends and sisters again. Let's start first with normal specifications. The beginning is with the design and dimensions. The back of the phone and the side frame are made of plastic and the front end is of course made of glass. The phone comes in a weight of 190 grams. And the thickness is 7.9 millimeters. The phone is resistant to water drops and dust with IP54 certification. Realme Narzo N65 supports 2 SIM cards for 5G. The phone supports the fingerprint on the power button, and supports face unlock facial recognition. It supports accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. It also supports NFC technology in some markets and supports the OTG function to transfer files via the charging port. The phone also supports photo, video and document editors. You can edit photos and videos through the photo gallery. As for the Android 14 operating system with Realme UI 5.0 interface. Mobile colors: dark green and gold. Key specifications. First, the battery. It comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 15-watt charging, and the Type-C charging port. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes in more than one version. The first version is 4GB RAM with 128GB memory. The second version is 6GB RAM with 128GB memory. RAM is automatically doubled and increased through software. The phone supports the installation of a memory card in place of the second SIM card. Screen specifications. The screen comes from a 6.6-inch IPS LCD with HD Plus quality with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. The brightness is 625 nits, the pixel density is 264 pixels per inch, and supports night mode and eye protection. Processor. The processor in Realme Narzo N65. It comes from MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core with 6 nanometers manufacturing technology. The graphics processor or the Mali G57 graphics card. Cameras. Dual lens rear with LED flash. The first lens is 50 megapixel with a 1.8 aperture and supports WA optical stabilizer. The second lens for artificial intelligence. The rear cameras support HDR, panorama, and shooting videos in full HD at a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 8 megapixel with a 2.0 aperture. It supports shooting videos in full HD resolution 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Summary. To know if the phone is worth buying or not? Will it offer value for price or not? The processor is fairly good in any use. Unfortunately, the screen is not the best because its quality is poor and the brightness is poor, which has a negative impact on performance and colors. But the possible refresh rate of 120 Hz makes the screen offer fairly fast performance. As for the rear cameras, they offer good performance in terms of quality and colors. The battery is powerful and lasts for a long time in all uses. On the other hand, the phone is aimed at low-income people who use the phone for normal uses such as browsing the internet or watching videos and pictures. A phone in heavy games such as PUBG, Call of Duty or Free Fire is not the best choice for you if you are a gaming fan. Please, dear friend, look for another phone with better specifications in a higher price category. This is for clarity and credibility so as not to mislead you. As for the contents of the phone box, it comes in the box, phone, and charger head, and USB Type-C cable, and a protective case. It is also included in the box, user guide, and a metal pin, and the certificate of guarantee. Priced. The price of the phone is for the 4GB RAM and 128GB version at around $137, and this is the world price. Please note that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. By the way, The phone was released in the Brazilian markets. At the price, we will have finished the video. I hope you liked it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to receive EV